है एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। और आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के फर्स्ट स्टेप के बारे में। एज वी डिस्कस इन आवर लास्ट वीडियो, जैसे कि टेक्निकल एनालिसिस है वो हिस्टोरिकल डेटा यानी कि मतलब जो हिस्ट्री में प्राइस ने जो बिहेवियर किया था उसका एनालिसिस है। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि वेयर टू फाइंड दिस हिस्टोरिकल डाटा, एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज how to analyze this data or chart. So today I am here to explain you this basic concept in a simple and easy term. So let's start it. Let's start with our first question, that where will we find this data. So I am sharing my screen here. There are lots of website available online, but one of the most popular site is tradingview.com. I am sharing my screen. Wait. So yes, this is tradingview.com and it is completely free. You can also check it on, and it is showing Nifty chart. In this chart, it is showing Nifty's price behavior with respect to time. You can check it, and if you zoom this chart, you can see a series of red and green rectangular boxes in some random manner. So these rectangular boxes are known as a candlestick, and this is our today's topic. So let's take a deep look into it. So this is what a simple candlestick look like. But आपके मन में सवाल आ रहा होगा कि ये कैंडलस्टिक ऐसे ही क्यों दिखती है। होता है, मुझे भी ये सवाल हुआ था जब मैं सीख रहा था। तो लेट मी take into whiteboard and see a price movement or price behavior inside the candlestick pattern. So let's move on the whiteboard. So consider this is a price line and this is a time axis on chart. So consider when market opened, it opened at some this particular price level, and then some seller comes in and pushed prices to the downside, and then buyers come in and push price to the higher level, and at the end of the day market closed, let's say somewhere here. So during all this day, this was the price movement of the stock or a market. So what its candlestick look like, let's check into it. If I project this four important points, this is opening, low, high and close. Then let me draw it first with some different color. Let's say green. So this was the opening level, correct? So let's say market open here and close at this level. So this is the body of the candle. This particular part is known as a body or a spread of the candle, and the high and low which it made during the day is represented by a simple vertical line which is known as a wick of the candle, upside and downside. Yes, like something like this, you consider it. So this is what a simple candlestick look like for this price action. And if we check here, the opening price of the market or a stock is at a lower level as compared to closing price of stock. So whenever the closing price of the market is higher than the opening price, the color of the candle would be green, and it is known as a, let me do it, it will be green color candle, and it is known as a bullish candle. Now if we revise its terminology, then this part is known as a body of the candle, and this one is known as a wick or the shadow of the candle. So if we take another scenario, let me draw another chart, price axis, time axis, and in this scenario, let's say market open at a higher level, this level, and then move higher, and then for a whole day it went down and closed somewhere at this price level. So what will be candlestick formation of this kind of price action? If I project this level, all this open, high, low, close level, so the candle would be look something like this. बट आप लोग कहेंगे ये तो कम्प्लीटली मैच है, ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल सेम ही दिख रहा है, लेकिन डिफरेंस क्या है इन दोनों में कि इसका जो यहाँ पे जो ओपनिंग प्राइस था वो क्लोजिंग प्राइस से कम था, यानी एंड यहाँ पे जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस है, यहाँ मतलब कि क्लोजिंग प्राइस है जो वो ओपनिंग प्राइस से कम है, मतलब कि मार्केट यहाँ पे डाउनवर्ड गया है, वहाँ पे अपसाइड गया था। तो इस प्राइस मूवमेंट का कैंडल स्टिक होगा रेड कलर या फिर जो भी आपने कलर सेट किया हो वो, और ये कैंडल कहलाती है बीरिश कैंडल। So this was very basic concept to understand basics of candlestick, and there are many types of candlestick according to price behavior. So we will look at one by one. So let's start with a hammer. So hammer is a candlestick. Let me draw its price action. So first of all, so how can hammer candle is look like? So hammer candle is look like something like this, a little bit wick on upside and a longer wick on a downside. So what will be price action behind this candlestick? So if this is green color candle, if I draw price chart of this candle, price movement, this is time axis. So what happened here is market opened at this particular level. This is the opening of candle. Then sellers push it to the downside, and then buyers came aggressive at this price level and make market to bullish and go to higher level and close somewhere at this level. So this is the high of the day, this is low of the day, and this is opening, and this is the closing price. Next one is a shooting star candle. Shooting star candle is look something like this. This is completely opposite of the hammer candle. In this type of candle, upper wick is longer and there is a little bit or no wick on the downside. So if we check its price action, this is price axis, this is time axis. So what happened here is market opened at this particular, this is opening, this is red color candle, this is red color candle, completely red. So what happened, this is opening of candle. So what happened here is market opened at this particular level, and then buyers comes in and push prices to the higher, and then seller came aggressive at this price and push market to the downside and make this low, and then somewhere market closes somewhere between at this price level. So this is the closing of candle. And now next is a doji candle, which is a neutral kind of a candle. We have seen this is a bullish candle, this is a bearish candle. So now let's look at and a long wick on both sides. What this candle represent is, let's look at its price behavior. So what happened here is price opened at this level and then sellers comes in and make prices lower, and then buyers comes in and take prices to the higher level, and then again sellers comes into the market and closes somewhere near the opening of the candle. मतलब यहाँ पे जो कैंडल की जो ओपनिंग हुई थी वह उसी लेवल पे कैंडल की क्लोजिंग हो रही है। मतलब मार्केट पूरे दिन उसी रेंज में ट्रेड करता रहा और कहीं भी नहीं गया। इस टाइप के कैंडल को कहते हैं डोजी कैंडल, और इससे ये कैंडल ना ही बुलिश है ना ही बेयरिश, ये कम्प्लीटली न्यूट्रल कैंडल मानी जाती है क्योंकि इसमें कोई पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड नहीं था इस वजह से। एंड देर आर मैनी मोर टाइप्स ऑफ कैंडलस्टिक बट वी डोंट नीड ऑल दैट टाइप। So this is done for today, and thank you for watching this full video, and if you like then don't forget to like and share this video, and yes, please subscribe to our channel to motivate us. Thank you.